What do you think about these colored contact lenses from the company Unicoeye? Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this colored contact lens review. I've worked with this company before and they are kindly sponsoring this video. This is the company Unicoeye. I've reviewed their lenses in the past and today I'm going to be reviewing the colors Firmament Green, Canna Green, Rio Ochre, and Butternut's Gray. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and of course let me know which ones were your favorite down in the comment section down below. Okay, so let me know which ones you liked the most as well as why. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Unicoeye as well as show you the lenses up close in natural lighting. So I've worked with Unicoeye before. I will show you some of the previous videos I've done here. I absolutely love their lenses. They are a color contact lens company. They have lenses in all different colors, all different finishes, and their lenses are for the most part very, very natural and subtle, but they also do have bold, bright colors. Here is the coupon code. I will put it up on the screen right here in case you are interested in getting some money off and checking them out. If you've never heard of them before, I really love their lenses because they are very, very comfortable for my eyes. I feel like I'm not even wearing lenses. And I do love a majority of their colors, as I stated in previous videos and reviews that I've done for them. So the ones that I loved the most were the Canna Green, Rio Ochre, and I do love the Butternut's Gray. That's the ones that I'm wearing right here. The Butternut's Gray color is very, very pretty. It's like a nice grayish with pinches of blue in it. I feel like it complements my eyes really well, and it also lets my eyes poke through, which I absolutely love when color contact lens companies do that. They kind of blend and feather out the pupil hole or the lens itself so that it's not so bold and opaque, and then the pupil hole isn't so tight. Now for the Firmament Green, the pupil hole I found is a bit tighter and the color is a bit bold and bright and a little bit unnatural for me. I wish the pupil hole was a little bit more feathered out, and it definitely would have been another pair of lenses that I really love from them. But the color was pretty okay. It was a nice green mixed with, like, I would say orange a bit, pinches of orange in it, and it was really nice and different and unique, but it was just a little too bold and bright for my taste. But what do you think about them? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, the Canna Green were really pretty. The Rio Ochre yesterday ones were the ones that surprised me the most. I didn't think I was gonna like the mixture of blue and brown, but it's really, really pretty and super, super natural. In natural lighting, it looks like I'm not even wearing those lenses. They look like they could be my eyes. They are very, very pretty and very, very subtle, which you guys know I love subtle natural lenses, as well as the Butternuts gray lenses. They are very, very pretty, and I feel like subtle and natural for me. I feel like I could wear them every day and they still look very subtle and natural. But which ones did you like the most out of the 4 that I reviewed here today? Let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, I love to hear what you guys think and which lenses are your favorite and which ones you kind of didn't like, or if you've ever tried any other colors from this company before, any other color contact lenses from them, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out this video at the end where I show you another round of lenses from Unicoeye, since I have worked with them before. Thank you so much, Unicoeye, for partnering with me for this video, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys!